Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear friends? How are you, my dear students? Already we have completed exercise 1.2.1 to 2.4, and today we will start exercise 2.5. So before starting exercise 2.5, one thing I want to discuss: 123.56. Okay, I am going to discuss places of each digit. The places, the value of 3 is equal to ones, places of value 2 is equal to tens, places of value 1 is equal to hundreds. Okay, places of 5 is equal to tens, places of 6 is equal to hundreds. Understood? So how can you read this number 123.56? Again I am repeating better. The places of 3 is equal to ones, places of 2 is equal to tens, places of 1 is equal to hundreds, and places of 5 is equal to tens, places of 6 is equal to hundreds. Okay, now we are going to discuss exercise 2.5 based on this concept. Understood? So question number 2.5. Question number 1. Which is greater? Understood? Question 1. 0.5 or 0.05. Second question, 0.7 or 0.5. Okay. Question number 3, 7 or 0.7. And question number 4, 1.37 or 1.49. So here, first question, 0.5 or 0.05. Tell me the places of this 0. This is ones. The places of 5 is equal to tens, and places of 0 is equal to also tens. The places of 5 is equal to hundreds, but here there is no giving the places of these 0. It means if you want to consider, just consider as 0 only. Understood? Okay. So here, my dear students, what we have to do, we are going to find out which number is greater. This is your question. Okay. So what we have to do, we will compare this 0 to this 0. Both are same. Understood? Now then find out, we will move on the places of tens. Tens, not tens. Clear? This thing becomes. The places of tens is equal to this 5, and this is 0. If you will compare 5 and 0, so obviously you can find out which number is greater, beta. 5 greater than 0. So obviously this number is bigger. So how can you write? We will compare places of tens, 5 and 0. So 5 greater than 0. So automatically beta you can write, we will compare places of tens, 5 and 0. I am comparing places of 10 in both sides, because here the places of 1, 0, 0 both are same. So we will move on the places of tens. If this number is also are same, so we will move on the places of hundreds. Understood what I am telling you? But here you got the answer. So there is no need to move further places of value. Okay. So 5 greater than 0. So which number is bigger? 5. So obviously which number is bigger? Hence 0.5 is bigger number. Now we will move on the 0.7 or 0.5 on the in question number 2. Okay, now we will move compare places of ones, but both are same. So which number we will move? We will compare the places of tens. So obviously tell me, 7 greater than 5. Which number is bigger? Yes, 0.7 is bigger. My dear students, one thing you should keep in your mind, if you are going to compare places of ones or tens or hundreds, but you should mention, you should write 2 or 3 lines, because it carry marks. Understood? Okay. So here we are comparing which places? We are going to compare the places of tens only. So here I am writing, we will compare places of tens, 7 and 5. So hence 7 greater than 5. So which number is bigger? Therefore 0.7 is bigger or greater number. Understood? Here you can write also beta, instead of bigger you can write greater, because in the question you have given. Okay, now we will move on the question number 3, 7 or 0.7. Now compare this 7 and this 0. Tell me places of 7 is equal to 1 only. Okay, and places of 0 is equal to 1. If you will compare places of 1s, so 7 greater than 0. So tell me which number is bigger? Obviously sir, 7, because of this is the bigger number. Okay, biggest value. Okay, so here what we have to write? Here we can write, we will compare places of places of ones. Okay, 7 and 0. Okay, so hence 7 greater than 0. Therefore 7 is greater number. Clear? Now we will move on to question number 4. 1.37 or 1.49. Okay, so here we will compare places of ones, both are same. Here places of tens 3 and 4. So obviously you will get answer beta. अगर यहाँ पे आपको आंसर मिल जाता है तो आपको do not need to compare the places of hundreds. Understood? If you are comparing places of tens, so automatically you will get answer. Understood? So here the places of one, both are same. So we will move on the places of tens. Okay? So obviously you will get answer beta. So here what we have to write? Here we are going to write, we will compare places of tens 3 and 4. Okay, therefore 3 less than 4. So tell me which number is greater? Obviously 1.49 is a greater number. Therefore 1.49 is greater number. So here beta, question number 1 I have done here. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remaining 2 questions, 4, 2.03 or 2.30, and this is your 5th question and this is your 6th question. 0.8 or 0.88. Okay, these 2 questions you have to do by yourself. Okay, now we will move on to question number 2. Express as rupees using decimals. The first question 7 paisa, second question 7 rupees and 7 paisa, third question 77 rupees and 77 paisa, and last question 50 paisa, and the remaining 1 question you have to do by yourself. So here you know very well, we know 1 rupees is equal to rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Okay, we know rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Therefore 7 paisa is equal to 7 multiplied by 1 paisa. Okay, so can I write 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100. Okay, understood? 7 multiplied by 1 upon 100 paisa. So here with one thing you should keep in your mind, 7 upon 100 so is equal to डिनोमीटर में बेटा 2 जीरो है, 7 यहाँ पे है। आपको क्या करना है, पॉइंट रखना है। कितना जीरो है सर? देयर आर 2 zeros, सो वी आर पुटिंग फ्रैक्शन और पॉइंट आफ्टर 2 डिजिट। ओके, तो 7 मैंने लिखा, फिर भी मुझे दूसरा डिजिट के बाद मुझे पॉइंट लिखना है। एक एक्स्ट्रा में जीरो लिखूंगा, तब जाके मैं पॉइंट यहाँ पे रख सकता हूँ। बिकॉज यहाँ पे इन द डिनोमिनेटर बेटा देयर आर 2 जीरो है, 2 जीरो है, इसीलिए मैं पॉइंट रखूंगा आफ्टर 2 डिजिट। अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट इज आंसर? द आंसर इज 0.07। अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू? तो 7 अपॉन 100 is equal to 0.07. Understood? Clear? Okay. Now we will move on the second question. 7 rupees and 7 paisa. Okay, you know, we know rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa beta. Okay, so here 7 rupees as it is, तो 7 rupees उसको कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट 7 पैसा 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1। ओके, तो 7 rupees इट मीन्स प्लस 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, तो 7 प्लस 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 अपॉन 100। ओके, तो 7 प्लस 0.07. So if you will do beta 7.00 plus, okay, so what is answer? The answer is 7.07. Clear? Now last, we know in a question number 3, 77 rupees okay, तो 77 rupees plus 77 पैसा। ओके, तो 77 प्लस 77 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 अपॉन 100 रुपीज। ओके, तो पैसा नहीं आएगा, रुपीज आएगा बेटा। क्लियर? दिस थिंग यू शुड कीप इन योर माइंड। सो 77 प्लस 0.77, क्योंकि 77 upon 100, so we are putting point after 2 digits, so 0.77, therefore says I am doing here beta plus 0.77, so 77.77. so what is answer? So it is your answer beta. Clear? And last question, 50 paisa. We know rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Okay, so rupees 1 for the 50 paisa is equal to 50 multiplied by 1, so 50 multiplied by 1 upon 100 rupees. So beta 0 cut, so 5 upon 10 rupees. We are putting point after 1 digit, so 0.5 rupees. Clear? So here, my dear students, I have completed all 4 questions, and last question you have to do by yourself. Today we have discussed only 2 questions. Okay, remaining questions we will discuss in the next part, in the next video very soon. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.